Affiliate marketing offers one of the most profitable ways to earn online. With the right strategies, making $1,000 a day is possible. To earn $1,000 daily, focus on affiliate programs that offer larger commissions. Here are 3 types of programs to target. High-ticket products offer higher price points, paying commissions of $200 to $1,000 per sale. Recurring commissions from products like SaaS services let you earn for as long as customers subscribe. Use affiliate networks like ShareASale or CJ Affiliate to access a variety of high-paying programs. Your website is essential for affiliate marketing success. Choose a niche, optimize for SEO, and produce valuable content. Focus on long-tail keywords for SEO. High-quality content attracts organic traffic. Create detailed reviews and guides. Quality content builds trust and encourages purchases through your links. Use paid ads to accelerate growth. Target high-intent keywords and utilize social media ads. Design specific landing pages to highlight product benefits. Use email marketing for targeted promotions. Offer value in emails. A targeted list increases engagement and fosters recurring commissions. YouTube is powerful for product reviews and tutorials. Leverage Instagram and Pinterest for visuals. Continuously track performance using Google Analytics and A/B testing to optimize your strategies. Making $1,000 a day is achievable with persistence, a clear plan, and a data-driven approach.